Unlock the magic of before and after images to captivate your audience instantly. Transform the way stories are told visually. This powerful feature allows you to showcase stunning transformations and elevate your store's visual appeal seamlessly. From home decor to health and fitness, the possibilities to engage are endless and strikingly impactful. Visual comparisons naturally draw in visitors, letting them witness changes in stunning side-by-side views. Imagine showing off outdoor landscaping projects or home design transformations that leave visitors in awe. Highlight the impactful results of your products, showcasing the before and after effects that truly resonate. Don't just tell a story, paint a picture with stark contrasts that stir curiosity and connection. Consider the joy of illustrating fitness journeys or culinary masterpieces, compelling viewers to take action. It's time to embrace this versatile tool as a way to tell your brand's unique story effectively. Dare to captivate and engage, transform your store with the before/after image section and inspire today.